subscribers around the globe. Now the thing is, pineapple farming or pineapple is what people consume more. You understand? And there is that tendency that many of us are still neglecting. There are some agricultural crops that we are neglecting, all in the name of it cannot do well in this part of the world, and this won't happen, and this won't happen. I made a video, and the video is out on this channel, and that video explained everything you need to know about onions plant, onions seed, planted, cultivated here in the southern part of Nigeria. Yes, normally before now we used to believe that okay, those things are only done in the north, but I can now tell you that you can comfortably right now cultivate onions right behind your house. Yes, right behind your house. And you might think that it's a play. No, this is no joke. These are real. These are truth. You understand? So what I want you to understand now in this video is, if you have watched this video to this point, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also share and subscribe. Now, looking at this, you will see this is all of us know this is pineapple. Yes. Now, pineapple is well consumed here in Nigeria. I don't know. I saw a video of a man who farms only pineapple. Very soon I'll be showing you guys officially in another video my pineapple farm. So, but I want to show you guys this so that you guys will see it first. You see pineapple, there are some secrets I need to share with us in this video about pineapple farming that most of us don't know. Before I share this secret, what you have to understand is going into pineapple farming is very easy. Yes. Going into pineapple farming is very easy. I can tell you the truth. Pineapple farming is as easy as, in short, as far as I'm concerned, you don't need to dig no ground. Yes. You don't need to dig to plant them, and then no. And this is a sucker. Plantain have suckers, while pineapples are suckers as well. There are no stems, there are suckers. This is a sucker. And when something is a sucker, there's that tendency that when it falls to the ground, anywhere it falls, except and otherwise it has germinated. But if something like plantain stem, when it falls in anywhere, once it falls and it has not germinated, even this one you're seeing here, since it has not bear yet, if you cut it down, that will be in another video. I will explain the secret behind that. But for here now, you see, you don't need to plant, you don't need to dig any ground to plant them. You can see their tap root. You see, just put them on the ground. Just keep them like this. But if you want to make it a little bit, let it be that okay, yes, you have a farm, just put it on the ground, open the ground, and put the suckers right inside the ground. And you'll be so amazed at what will be coming out. And this guy, another powerful secret, second secret about this thing is it does not die easily. In short, as far as I'm concerned, I cleared my farm some time ago, and I found there so many in a particular spot, so I had to cut them down, harvested them, burnt them. But sir, this thing no gree burn. This thing refused to die. It's unkillable. Yes. So that's what I'm telling you. That's the second secret. It is unkillable. As far as I'm concerned, it does not die a natural death. The secret of this pineapple is number one. You don't need to. There is no time to come and start digging down to plant. Just throw it anywhere, and it has started its work. Another second secret is in this video is it does not die a natural death. Yes, it does not die a natural death. More like some seedlings will die a natural death. This guy does not die a natural death. Except otherwise, human beings are the people who are going to kill it. So what you have to do for me is give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and as both or subscribe. You don't understand, to my channel. We'll be bringing you more updates on pineapple. This week we are talking about pineapple and everything you need to know about pineapple. So this is the Pineapple 101 lecture this week. Don't play. So share this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, these are just the two secrets. See you guys in the next video. Bye.